Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Getting freshly made shawarma bread sometimes can be a hassle. And today I'm showing you how to make this soft and delicious shawarma bread at home. Now you can always have fresh shawarma bread whenever you want to make your shawarma. First, I sieve 2 cups of flour and then I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and a little bit of salt. I'm going to combine this together. Then I'll go in with a little bit of water and I'm going to knead this gently. And we are going in with the water little by little because we don't want our dough to be overly soft. I'm using warm water for this recipe because I'm going to leave this to prove. I'm going to go in with 1 cup of vegetable oil and I will keep kneading this with little water until the dough has is together. I don't want this dough very soft, neither do I want it very hard. This texture on this video is just the right texture you need for this shawarma bread. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. If this is what you'd like to try out, tell me what you think about this video. So I needed this for about 2 minutes and you can see how it's already looking. This dough is almost stretchy, so I'll allow it to rest for the next 5 minutes. You can see this is proofing already. The dough is proofing, so I'm just going to knead it for a little bit time and then I will divide this dough into 4 portions. So for this measurement it gave me 4 shawarma bread. So if you want more you can make double the recipe, or if you want little you can reduce the recipe. Now I'm just going to divide this and then I will knead each portion that I have divided. So this is just basically a very easy way to make shawarma bread. You don't have to always worry whenever you don't have shawarma bread at home or you need freshly made shawarma bread. This is just an easy way to make this. I'm going to slightly sprinkle my work surface with some flour and I will roll out the first portion of dough that I have divided. When I roll this out, I sprinkle some vegetable oil on it and a little bit of flour. I would, adding the extra layer of the dough that I have also rolled out. So I'm just doing this with my glass cup because I don't have a rolling pin. I'm just making this at home with anything I can find in my kitchen. So this is what I'm trying to explain. I'm going to sprinkle this with some vegetable oil and a little bit of flour. Then I would cover it with the second dough that I have rolled out and I would roll the both of them together. When I'm done doing this, I'm going to place this on my non-stick pan and allow it to cook for a while. Okay, you would see the bubble forming on the top and then you would flip to the other side and allow it to also cook for a while. Your shawarma bread is ready, guys. I was so bothered how I was going to get freshly made shawarma bread. Most I got from the supermarkets were already inside the freezer, and when I'm using them to make my shawarma, the bread would usually divide. So I needed something that was freshly made and that wouldn't give me the stress, and the taste would also be very unique and amazing. So I came up with this shawarma bread recipe, and the outcome, I tell you, it's so great. I enjoyed making this and I hope you enjoy it too. So if you give this video a try, don't forget to tell me how it came out for you. And the shawarma I made with this bread, the video will also be up on my channel. Do well to check it out, guys. And share this video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more amazing recipe. So you can see those bubbles forming on the top of the dough. That means the other side is cooked. I'm just going to flip it so that this side that was on the top will also get to cook. So I'll just do this for the first one. I will also do it for the second one. You can see the outcome is looking so great already and the taste is so delicious. You get to make your own shawarma bread. The taste is just what you want and everything is so good. Store your shawarma in a plastic bag, a ziploc bag, and keep it in room temperature. If you're going to use it at a later time, store it in the refrigerator. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.